What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Lawn Chart channel. So today we're going to do a little bit of cleanup of all these leaves that we keep getting during this time of the year. I've got lots of trees in the backyard and I tend to clean these up probably about 2 or 3 times a week. The good news is that our city does leaf pickup every week, and so they just got to push them down to the end of the street and they come around and just have this giant vacuum and pick everything up for us. The other thing that we did, not today, but a few days ago, we actually were able to winterize our sprinkler system, so everything was good. I was actually going to do it myself, and then my neighbor was having hers done, and the guy had all the equipment, had this giant compressor, and I asked him, hey, how much you charge? And it's like $80, and for me, $80 is worth my time, so I let him take care of it. So today we're just gonna finish up all of these leaves. As you can see, I try and get them all the way around the yard, starting the back and then move around to the driveway so I can pick everything off of the parking pad. And then we just push it down to the end of the driveway and street. The front yard isn't too bad, no real big trees up there, but obviously we're gonna be able to take care of everything there as well. It's definitely a cold day, the temperature has changed. One of the things that you'll see here in this video is the perennial ryegrass is doing really, really well. You're starting to see some of the bermuda go dormant underneath that perennial ryegrass, but the perennial ryegrass itself is really green and striping very nicely, and you'll see that when we start mowing here in a second. All right, folks, well, we are back and it's freaking cold. I did not expect for it to be this cold today, but it is. And so it's been 2 days, like I said. We cleaned up all the leaves and then it rained profusely, and then yesterday it was just kind of wet and dreary. So today's been dry, so I figured today would be a good day to get out here and finish up our final tasks for the season. So I'm gonna mow real quick, clean things up, and then we'll call it a day. So let's get to it. We are done. I think this may be the last mow of the season, to be honest with you. I mean, it looks really, really good. It's getting dark, so it's kind of hard to see, but it does look really good. I think with this cold weather, from the forecast, Thanksgiving's next weekend, and from the forecast I'm seeing, it's not supposed to get any warmer. So I think, I don't know, we'll see. I mean, I think it's going to be done, but if I need to mow it again, I'm going to be sure to do it, because what else am I going to do? Actually, I've got lots of things to do. I've got this giant list of projects that my wife has for me to take care of that I keep saying, wait till winter, I'll take care of it. Well, it's now winter, so let's do it. So anyway, let's give you a quick look at what we've got going. If you look really carefully, you can see a little bit of brown, and that's okay. That's all the dormant bermuda. but even as the sun is setting, you can see a little bit of striping going on as well. The perennial ryegrass is coming in really nicely. I think it looks pretty fantastic. Let's go to the back and I'll take a look back there and I can show you what that looks like. The bermuda right here in this little section is dormant as well, but all the fescue's coming up. It is a different texture than the other fescue, but that's okay. Over time, we'll get the two of these sections feathered together and looking more natural. In fact, in the spring, that should happen. But the fescue looks really good. It's a little thin in spots, but I'm not terribly worried. This is all brand new sod and it looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So like I said, that's pretty much it, folks. This is probably the last mow, maybe one more. We'll see what happens. You know, I don't really think it's gonna need much, but you know, spring is right around the corner. You know, it is November, another 3 or 4 months, we'll be good to go. I do have other projects that I'm gonna do here, so don't fret. We will have other things going on the Lawn Shark channel. I've got to do some borders on the hill right here. I've got some borders I'm gonna do back by the air conditioning for planters for the spring, so we got to get all that stuff done. And so stay tuned for that. We'll be working on those probably during the month of December, maybe January, and we'll bring you along for that ride. Just videos won't be coming out that often, and from what I can tell, there's not a lot of people looking at lawn videos this time of the year, so nothing lost there. One other thing I wanted to share with you guys see the beard as usual. During the month of November, I do No Shave November. It's November is Men's Health Awareness Month. Shared this years and years ago. Back in 2010, my dad passed away from colon cancer. And the reality of it is had he gone to the doctor and had done early detection, my dad would probably still be alive today. So with that, I want to remind all of you dudes out there, especially because we tend to be knuckleheads and knuckle draggers and we avoid going to the doctor. Don't avoid it. Go get yourself checked. Make sure you have regular checkups. Like I said, my dad would be alive a much longer time, even if it wasn't, he'd be 92 today, but he would have lived a lot longer. He was an ox up until he wasn't. And it had everything to do with the fact that he waited too long to actually get any kind of checkup, and they would have done an early detection on him and he probably would have lived several years more. So anyway, just want to share that with you guys. This is November. This is Men's Health Awareness Month. So with that, I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving, a Merry Christmas, and a New Year if I don't speak with you guys between now and then. And we will talk to you guys soon. Have a great week, everybody. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be notified of future videos when they come out eventually, then don't forget to hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great week.